In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the cash card. So this is very easy. Step 1, you just have to open your Cash App application. Step 2, tap that green button that says Get Free Cash Card. Step 3, choose your style by tapping any of this card here, the black one, white, or yellow. Everything is up to you. Step 4, click Personalize Card. Now to customize your card, step 5, click Edit Personalization, and then tap Order Card. Now step 6, you just have to enter your shipping address. You just have to enter information here. Step 7, you have to enter your legal name. So it's really important and you have to double check before you tap Next. Step 8, you have to enter your birth date. Okay, so you have to double check that one too. Step 9, you have to read the following here. So, since you're under 18, you'll need a parent or guardian to sign up. Your account include banking, instant payments, family visibility. So, in order to use this cash card app, you have to be above 18. Okay, remember that. Okay, so tap request approval. Now, step 10, you have to enter the detail here and then tap send. Step 11, get and use your cash card. The cash card is not linked to your personal bank account or debit card. Cash app balance is transferred to your debit card or bank account when you cash out. Your cash card can be used at US retailers that accept Visa once it has been authorized. Refunds for purchases made with your cash card that you later decide to return may take up to 10 days to appear on your account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.